Alright guys, we are here for season, I believe this is season 6 of the NNSCRA 3 School Ranch Truck Series. And we're not gonna really go too far into this. There are a few trucks that are taken, but we'll go to that in a minute. But here's the truck. I'll tell you the trucks that are open and the trucks that are taken. Alright, you got the 1 is open, the 2 is open, the 3 is taken by Michael Norman, the 4 is open, 5 is taken by Chris Wascher, the 6 is open, 9 is taken by Kyle Thomas, 00 is open, the 02 is open, the 12 is open, the 13 is open, the 18 is open, the 19 is open, the 20 is open, the 21 is open, the 22 is open, the 24 is open, the 29 is open, the 30 is open, 31 is taken by Dylan Poteet, 32 is open, 33 is open, 34 is taken by Henry Sandfer, 35 is open, 37 is open, 38 is open, 39 is open, 51 is taken by Charlie Rodriguez, 52 is taken by Seth Cole, 60 Dakota Armstrong is open, 61 is open, 62 is open, 63 is open, 77 is open, 81 is open, 82 is open, 83 is open, 84 is open, 91 is open, 93 is open, 94 is taken by Jessica Shelton, 99 is open. So those are the cars, and make sure you pick one per user, and that's it.